Two different ones? I wonder what's made that trail through there like that. Coyotes or deer? Probably deer. About got this pup trained. He's doing good. He's a hunting machine. But it's a big buck rabbit. It's running pretty good. Coming back this way. Coming back this way. I'm gonna go right up here and keep him from crossing up here, because every time he crosses up here, they lose him. And I think he goes in the dang hole up here. See if I can make him cross somewhere else. Son, that's a big, big runner. He ran all over his place. Well, I ain't got no dogs that run a deer. I know that anyway. They probably spooked out 4 or 5 deer there and never even offered to run them, so that's good. Only dog worries me is that pup. Right across this road. They must have lost that. I don't know what happened to it. Went in a hole or what. They might pick it back up with going out through here or something. Stay tuned. You got another one going. Look there in that tree. Big spike. We found dead here. We was hit with a bad EHD outbreak a couple of years ago, and it about destroyed the deer population. They're getting back to normal now. Like I told y'all earlier, where they jumped 10 or 12 of that one little briar thicket there. Wood patch. Way down there. But it goes through that dang fence. The deer. Hope you'll be able to see him on the camera or not. They're everywhere this morning. And they just run. It must have went in the hole. Go see if we can't find another one. He just got another one jumped. They're about 200 yards through there. I don't know if y'all be able to hear them or not. It's running the same way that other one run a while ago. Ain't no clouds in the sky. Man, having some good running this morning. You're in the same direction the other one went. I got a screen record capture on my phone. I can show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, right, they don't lose him out there. There you go in the hole, same place it done went. Must went in the hole. Because they haven't picked him back up yet. I was gonna leave a screen capture here for you guys, Dr. Pathfinder, so you can see the path that they ran. Guys, if you don't have a Dr. Pathfinder, you're really missing out, because the mapping is really, really good. So I'll leave that right here. If y'all ain't got one, get you one. I'm gonna get off here and work these dogs and see if we can't jump another. Stay tuned. Oh, big boy. Go find this one, buddy. Let's go. Go on, Sam. I don't know if that rabbit come out of that field or not. It might have. I doubt it though. Man, been having some good running this morning. General got another one jumped. Man, he's making a nice little dog. It'll probably go out there and go through that fence, if it ain't already. Coming back up the hill. Queen's in the front, son, smoking. I know where General at. He must got hung up in the fence. In a check. overrun it. Clean got it. Where my pup is. That's a big runner, no doubt. General's in there now. I bet the sucker crossed the fence again. I'm gonna walk up through your guys and see through the hole here in this fence. Well, I was going to. There just ain't no way to get through the valve, and I'm not going through them thickets right now. Let them run. Alright guys, while they're running, I just want to come on here and tell you all that the reason I haven't made any videos in a while is due to the coronavirus. I have not been out much. I'm going to start getting out in the outdoors more. We got youth turkey season coming in this weekend. I'm going to take my girl out and try to get a turkey. I see the dog coming right there across the hill. Guys, I just wanted to come on here and tell you why I haven't been out much. Why I haven't been putting out many videos. Fishing season's coming in. Get ready to start catching some fish. So start doing some videos about that stuff. Guys, if there's anything y'all want to see, leave me a comment, tell me. I'll do a video over anything. But springtime is some of the best rabbit running that you can get. Where they're mating right now, their testosterones are high and they just run big. So guys, I just want to come on here and let y'all know where I've been. I haven't quit making videos. I've just been trying to lay low for a little bit, but now we're gonna get back to it. So y'all subscribe to my channel. Just give me some support. Stay tuned. I swear I've been running the same rabbit for 45 minutes. Ain't gonna complain though, that's a good thing. I'd rather have big running than have no running. I mean, they're stroking it. I've not seen it yet, but it's so thick in here, you probably wouldn't see it if it ran right over top of you. I'm surprised it's not went in the hole yet. Very shocking. Y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video. Guys, I just wanted to let y'all know, give y'all a little update about where I've been, what's going on. I hope you guys are staying safe. Your families are staying safe. Guys, leave me a comment down in the comments. Let me know how y'all doing. Just want to check in with y'all. So, guys, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.